Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will go to BikeMap and you will enter. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.